everyone, and welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I am going to start doing some Valentine's nail art because February is sneaking up on us, so why not get a head start? So today I have some conversational heart nail art that is kind of hard to say. But anyway, that is what we are starting off the season with, and these aren't your traditional heart nails, so let's take a look at how I did them. Okay, so first up you want to start with your favorite base coat and your favorite white polish. Here I'm using Pretty Beautiful's Whiteout, which is one of my go-tos at the moment. And after that, you just let that dry before moving on to the next step. Now the next step is the hearts. So as you can see, I'm taking acrylic paint in this case and dotting on 2 large dots with my largest dotting tool. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a brush and create a V shape underneath it to connect the 2 dots. Then that makes your heart. And I'm just going to repeat this step with various light colors. I have chosen to use a light pink, a light lavender, and I'm going to use a teal shade. And you just repeat the same steps for each heart and scatter them throughout the nail. And along the edges of the nail you can kind of just put the V part, or you can just put the top part just to make it look like a continuous design across the whole nail. Now for a quick tip, the reason I chose a white as my base color for this design is that since it is white, if my heart gets a squiggly line on the side or it's not exactly straight, I can go in with white acrylic paint and easily straighten up the heart with acrylic paint and it not make a difference in the base color. However, if you are using a particular pink polish as your base, it may be harder to match with an acrylic paint, and then you're going to have to use nail polish to fix it, which then can kind of make everything goopy. So next up, we are moving on to my index and pinky fingers, and for this I'm just going to take the same colors that I did for the hearts and dot those colors in to make a gradation dot or cure coming out from the cuticle. Also, while I was off camera, I actually did film it, but for some reason the camera was not working correctly and I lost the footage, but I ended up adding little sayings into the hearts like you would have on a normal conversation heart. So I put I heart you, LUV for love, QT for cute, and then you can just kind of put whatever little sayings you want. So at this point I have put a glitter polish on my ring finger just as a fun accent nail, and now I'm going to take that same glittery polish and add that into the dots just to kind of bring the whole manicure together. Now that I've given the design time to dry and my polish dry time, it is time for applying my favorite top coat. Today I'm using the All Heart top coat because it's good, it doesn't smear my art, and I just thought that would be a great finish. But long as you have a good top coat on hand that won't smear, you are good to go. And here's your final look at the design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a really fun look that's not super like a Valentine's in your face, red and pink. It's kind of a different tone, which I think is really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more Valentine's nail art looks before Valentine's Day, be sure to give this a like so I know, and I will do more for sure. Also, let me know your specific ideas in the comments if you have any. Again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!